Cops have identified the husband and wife who were found with gunshot wounds inside a vehicle on Windward Road in Kingston on Saturday night. The woman has been identified as Heather Moyes, 1059, an administrator at Digicel, Jamaica, of a Smoky Vale, St. Andrew address. The other deceased is Wesley Moyes, 41, of the same address. Reports are that on Saturday night, the couple were traveling in a white Honda motor vehicle along Windward Road. It is alleged that upon reaching a traffic light, the vehicle came to a stop and shortly after explosions were heard. Passers-by then summoned the police when the vehicle did not move. According to the police reports, the woman was seen slumped in a driver's seat with what appeared to be a gunshot wound to the left side of the head, while the man was seen slumped in the left front passenger seat with what appeared to be a gunshot wound to the head. Both victims were transferred to the hospital by the police, where the woman succumbed to her injuries. The man was pronounced dead on arrival. A firearm with a magazine containing 18 9mm rounds was reportedly retrieved from the vehicle. Prominent medical doctor Leon Vaughn died in a car crash on Arcadia Drive in St. Andrew on Saturday morning. Reports are that Vaughn was having severe chest pains and attempted to drive himself to the hospital when he crashed. An early morning dispute between a father and his son left the older man dead and his son in custody. Dead is 74-year-old Clovis Fort, a taxi operator who lived in the Port Maria housing scheme. According to the police, Fort returned home early Saturday morning and saw his son, whose name is being withheld pending charges, on the veranda watching movies on his phone. An argument developed between them, during which the younger man threw a brick at his father's car. They tussled, and then the son allegedly went to the kitchen and got a knife that he used to stab his father in his upper shoulder. Ford collapsed and his son sought assistance from neighbors in getting him to the Port Maria Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. His son was then taken into custody.